We're back in the action, boys. And holy crap, do I have a story about this weekend for you. Now, y'all know that I actually haven't filmed a video in 3 days. Here's the reason why, and honestly, it's probably one of the sickest reasons I could ever have for taking 3 days off YouTube. The day was Friday, this past Friday. I hit up my buddy to ask if he wanted to maybe go on like a little camping trip with me. You know what I'm saying? Go travel out west and try to find something that we've been looking for a little while. That something is called the Sasquatch. Now, if you guys don't know, I'm a huge believer in Sasquatch. I research things, so does my buddy. And we set up this date to finally pack up the car and go. But I had no idea what the outcome would be. I think that's called a foreshadow. Anyway, so we pack up our car. We have one thing in mind once again, to go squatch hunting. All we brought with us is a couple cans of soup. I mean, we could have actually brought real food, but whenever I watch squatch hunting videos, they're always like eating cans and stuff like that. So I thought we'd get in the bit and do the same thing. We also have a rifle on our backs. Not to kill the squatch, but to fairly injure him so I can take the $1 million picture if we see him. The $1 million picture is just an exploded Sasquatch. Anyway, my story continues. This is a true story, by the way. So we get out there. It's a great day, you know what I mean? We're shooting the shit. It's awesome. Nightfall comes around, and this is the one time where you really need to be listening for the squatch. Is the mating sound that it makes. Now, I'm pretty sure from my research, the Sasquatch is pretty horny, so they mate all season. That's our one chance to hear that noise. Awesome, we got a squatch. Let's go searching. However, that time didn't come that night. You know, I wake up in the morning, still no squatch footage, nothing. I open up my tent, and I'm also missing my buddy, which is awesome. Come to find out later, I apparently told him while I was sleeping to go on ahead because I wanted to sleep in a little bit and I knew the direction. I didn't. I was sleep talking. I was probably still hammered from the night before. I only hunt for the squatch when I'm drunk. Opens up your ears, you know what I mean? You can hear the mating sound better. Also takes away a bit of the fear because I'm actually quite fearful for the Sasquatch, which is also why, once again, I have a gun. Anyway, long story short, that whole day I go looking for my buddy. The dude took the map. I literally get lost in the woods for 2 days. Apparently they had a search out for me. My mom thought I was dead. I mean, NameBran goes missing for 2 days. It's probably not a good outcome. So finally on Monday, which is yesterday, the boys found me, which is really funny because I actually came out looking a little fatter when I went in looking like, because I had to snack on some beaver that I found. It was dead. So yeah, I literally went missing in the woods for 2 days. I'm back. Thank you to the search party. It's Gucci. Now let's get into the video. Of course, y'all know the NameBran fans. Real Sean Merck in the game, the greatest of all time. Woo! Still out of breath from my fearful trip this weekend. Now, I'm sorry if that explanation was too long, but I can't not tell that story. It was literally awesome. It's so scary. I cried most of the time, to be honest. I was really scared. But anyway, without further ado, boys, we have the first ever HYPEBEAST mystery box unboxing from StockX. Now, plot twist, once again, this isn't actually a box that StockX puts out, but I thought it'd be really fun for surprise reasons for both of us if I hit up cameraman Ian, and we did this 2 weeks ago, and I give him $100. And I said, Ian, you know what I like? Find something on StockX for $100, order it to my house for Gucci, and then I'm gonna unbox with the boys. I have no idea what's in this. You guys have no idea what's in this. AKA mystery box from StockX. Got this idea from Lil Ray Ray. He did something like this in the past, so I'm like, yo, that's sick. I love surprises. So without further ado, I'll go grab the box. Oh, we got it! Crazy jump cut. I hope that works. So I'm a little disappointed first off in you, Ian. I know you're gonna be watching this video. I thought it'd be sneakers. There's definitely no sneakers in here, but maybe it's like some sick shirt or something like that. I don't know. But I'm really stoked. And let's open this up. Leave a comment down below what you think it is. Ow! Ow! Oh! There's something pointy in there. Oh my god, he got me a Rolex.
That's the new piece?
Yes, Takashi, new piece. No, I was actually lying. He didn't get me this. But Ian, in the editing room, might be a possible title. Put that maybe at the end. I got a Rolex from StockX. Sick. Alright, let's actually get into this box now. Got the classic bag. This is the shirt. Okay, boys. Alright. No! Damn it! Wait, no, this is so sick. Yes! Actually, so, I'm sorry, I was expecting a shirt. I don't have any cool shirts, but actually this one's kind of sick. He got us a hat, which is kind of sick. We got a StockX tag right there. That's dope. We'll just rip that off real quick. Verified. Super dope, buddy. So that's what we got. I kind of wanted something a little bit better, but this is really dope. Ian, great call. It's not my size either. You stupid. You idiot! Well, let me just get him a fitted hat without asking what his size is. Maybe it will fit. Yeah, that's awesome. That's super sick of you, Ian. It looks really, really dope, buddy. I love having 3 extra inches on each side of my head. That's awesome. Ah! And I ripped off the tag! Damn it! I should take this off. That's getting sold. Is this a bust? I don't even know how much this goes for. Okay, but anyway, we got the Supreme. This is really dope, actually. I know this is from the new season, maybe the first or second drop, but we got the Supreme, like, script right here, not in my size, which is super, super disappointing, but that's really dope, Ian, and I probably won't ever ask you to do this challenge for me ever again. Oh, you flippin' moron. Let's just buy an extra large hat. We all know I have a small dome, buddy. I don't even think they make Supreme hats in my size. Like, it's kind of crazy how small my head is. Even with my ears in my head, but that's actually just because I have elf ears. I was born in Narnia. I don't even know if they have elves there. Anyway, I guess we'll just like review this real quick so we can get this 10 minutes. We got the box logo right here. This is a really dope hat, actually. I don't think I'd actually buy it, especially in brown. Maybe brown's the cheapest one, probably, but no, it's kind of cool. We got Supreme right here. Very, very dope. Wow, what a bad mystery box. You guys let me know if that was sick or not, or if I should punch him in the scrotum the next video he's in. Wow, damn it! I thought it'd be a pair of shoes. What? Why would I ask a flippin' nerd to do this challenge? That's actually my fault. Also, I'm trying to sell this if anyone wants it. It's a 6 Supreme hoodie. I think it costs like 500 bucks. I'll give it to you for 4. Actually, I'm not even sure. If anyone wants that, it's sick. Extra large. Alright. So this is an update. Ian, you were sick for this. Dude, I love this guy. This is smart. If this is, oh, also, we got a StockX sticker in there if anyone wants it. Anyway, sorry. So this hat costs $75. Dude just pocketed $25 buying this. That is so sick. Yeah, so, oh wait, no. Last sale was $55. So this dude just came out stealing, which is awesome. This is why he's my friend, which is actually kind of badass because Ian's kind of a nerd. Anyway, that's our $100. Can I even just call this a $50 mystery box? I don't know what gets more views. Good job, buddy. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. I don't know if we're at 10 minutes yet, but I love to talk. You know why? Because I have a coffee and I got a beer in the other hand, and I ran out of beers, which was really bad. Just go back to the store. We bought like a 24 pack of beers. I got lost. He left me, not Ian, a different dude. And what else am I gonna do but get drunk? You know what I mean? They tell you to stay in one place and not go searching, so hopefully they'll come get you, which is why they found me. But I just polished off my beers, and it was kind of like, it was so scary, man. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Let's try to get this to 10 minutes, a little more. What are we gonna give away? That sticker. I gotta stop giving stuff away. My girlfriend's giving me such a hard time because she's like, where's all this money going? And I'm like, I just spend money on shipping all the time. Like, it's kind of bad. Anyway, if somebody wants to buy this from me, I'll give it to you for like StockX price. Plus like $10 shipping if anyone wants this, because this clearly does not fit me. Anyway, hopefully we're at 10 minutes, and if not, we're gonna look at Selena Gomez for the rest of the video. Appreciate y'all. Blow. Ian, you're a boss. You just stole flipping 50 bucks. It doesn't even cover shipping. Alright, whatever. Peace. This is spooky. This is spooky. What's going on right now? Keep hearing noises. I'm trying to do a bit. I keep hearing ghost noises. I'm sober too. This is my first beer. Oh! Yeah, that's my... got somebody that shares the wall with us. I wasn't thinking about... Okay. I just watched a horror movie last night. Freaked out. It's a neighbor probably banging stuff on the other part. I wonder if we're... Okay, we should be at 10 minutes, so we're fine. Thanks, boys.